So we made a kit in case you ever have to make a passage hole in the HotBox. So you can make a hole with our template. We have a drawing template here. And then we have some snap grommets that will clean up and close the hole and keep the fabric from splitting any further. So you need to just position where you're planning on making the hole. Take a wax pen or a white pen or anything that you can see it. Draw as close to the edge as you can. This is the cutting template. We want the hole this size or larger, so I usually cut on the outside of the lines. Now, regarding safety, use a cutter knife and make sure it's sharp. That'll cut through a lot better than using a dull one. And I tend to cut down towards me. Keep your hands out of the way, safety first. And I take a couple times to go through this. Once to get through the fabric nicely, once to get into the plastic honeycomb, and once to go all the way through the backing paper. We want to make sure we're cutting the metal liner. I actually cut that a little bit short, should have gone outside the line. I'll do this and we'll just speed up the process. Okay, your cut doesn't have to be perfectly clean because this has a bevel to hide anything, but this does have to pass from underneath. This might be too tight. There, it did pass actually. The one with, that was actually a perfect little hole. The one with the cutouts is for the inside. The one with the solid edge is for the outside. So I just simply, okay, I simply put that in from underneath. There we go. And then we just push this one down and it locks in place. And there you go. You have a beautiful grommeted hole for a passage. If anybody needs these of a different size or shape, just write to us and happy to modify the designs.